So we are now preparing a remedy for cough or any sore throat. So we are now preparing 500 ml of water container. So I filled it with water until this, and then 2 lemon that will be sliced half, and a 100% natural honey from Bukidnon, Philippines, and a teaspoon for honey measurement. We will now pinch the half of a lemon into the container just by pressing. And then until all the lemon is all the juice. And 2 lemon, and then you can remove the seed afterwards if you put it on your cup or glass. So we will be adding now a teaspoonful of honey. Oh my god, it drops into the container. Just stir it. 2 teaspoonful, that's enough. It will taste good. It'll just taste lemonade, but it is more fresh and good for cough or sore throat, dry cough, or whatever. I really use this kind of method all the time and it works. Then you will just have to sell it and shake it off.